Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to crochet this cute little strawberry. It's perfect for keychains, back charms, garlands or small decor pieces. For this project I am using DK cotton yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Start with a magic ring and chain 1. Into the magic ring make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull the magic ring tight and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. For the second round, chain 1. In this round, we will be making increases in every stitch. Make 2 single crochet into each stitch all the way around. This gives us a total of 12 stitches. Once you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. For the next round, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. Then make an increase in the next stitch. So the pattern for this round is 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern all the way around. When you finish the round, join with a slip stitch. For round 4, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Once you reach the end, join with a slip stitch. Repeat the same pattern for round 5 also. Chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in every stitch around. Then join with a slip stitch to close the round. For the sixth round, chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then make an invisible decrease. To do an invisible decrease, insert your hook through the front loop of the next stitch and then through the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through both the front loops like this. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both the loops. That's one invisible decrease. So the pattern will be 2 single crochet and a decrease. Repeat this all the way around and join with a slip stitch when you finish. For the next round, chain 1 and do 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now do a slip stitch and close the round. So for the ninth round, do a chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then a decrease. So the pattern for this round is 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this all the way around, and once you finish, join with a slip stitch to close the round. Now stuff the strawberry with some polyfill and make sure it's firm enough to hold its shape but not overstuffed. For the final round, chain 1 and work 6 invisible decreases around the opening. Once all the decreases are complete, join with a slip stitch and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail and fasten off. Using a yarning needle, weave through the front loops of the remaining stitches. Pull tightly to close the opening completely. Secure the yarn and weave in the ends. To make the strawberry look more realistic, we have to add the seeds like this. You can add as many or as few seeds as you would like. Now let's make the leafy top. Using green yarn, make a slip knot and chain 5. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make 4 slip stitches back down the chain. This is our first leaf. Next, chain 4 and make 4 slip stitches back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Repeat this process until you have 5 leaves in total. For the small stem in the center, chain 4 and make 3 slip stitches back down the chain. Fasten off, leaving a long tail for attaching. Attach the sepal onto the body of the strawberry using some glue. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Bye.